In this video, let us see how to make cut tender mango pickle. Sorting the big mangoes and pickling them this way will provide us the new pickle for immediate use while we wait for the tender mango pickle. You can check the recipe for the tender mango pickle in the description or at the end of the video.
Hello friends, welcome to Tiffin Room. If you like today's recipe, please like, share and subscribe. Now let's begin the recipe.
I have taken about half kg cut tender mangoes. If you buy tender mangoes from the market, wipe each mango with a wet towel followed by dry towel to clean it. If you pluck these yourselves, you can just wipe it dry. Cut the bigger tender mangoes into 8 pieces this way. Remove the seed and the seed coat completely. This pickle is 100% oil free. In a glass or ceramic bowl, add half a cup of crystal salt. Layer it with cut mango pieces. There is one important tip to remember when making this pickle from start till you bottle it up. Do not add any water, no wet hands. Mix it well. Cover it with a piece of plastic or plantain leaf. Place a weight. Cover it again with a piece of cloth and keep it aside. Every day remove the cover, mix it with totally dry hands and cover it back. Do this for 3 days. On the first day, wash 40 grams mustard seeds, spread it on a cloth and sun dry it for 3 days. Also take 80 grams red chilies, remove the stem, wash, spread it on a cloth, sun dry it for 3 days. Take 4 cups of water, add 1 cup of crystal salt. On the day before, need to make the salt water so that it can cool down to room temperature the next day. Bring it to a boil. Cover it and let it cool down overnight. Take the chilies from the sun, cool it for 15 minutes and powder it. A traditional pestle was used during my granny's days. Also, take the mustard seeds off sunlight and powder it. Take 1 tablespoon turmeric powder. Mix everything together. To get a uniform paste, we powder the ingredients individually before blending all at the end. My granny taught me this trick. At this stage, you can store this in a dry container for a month. You can make this in summer to use it for variety of other pickle during the monsoon. This pickle mix is slightly different than the tender mango pickle paste, yet it has got super good taste of its own. Add 1 cup of fresh salt water, mix it well. Add half cup salt water and blend it to this consistency. We call this paste as horadi in our local language. Strain the salt water from the mango pieces. Do not keep this pickle more than a month. This will last only for a month. Add 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons of pickle paste to the mango pieces. Add 1 cup of salt water and mix it well. According to my granny, when you make this cut mango pickle by using tender mangoes, you should not season it with asafoetida because it will overpower the aroma from the tender mango sap. Now the pickle is ready to enjoy. Super tasty cut tender mango pickle is ready to enjoy. You can enjoy this immediately without waiting for a month.
I hope you guys like the mango pickle recipe. Please give a try and comment below. For more such recipe, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.